So before you now go into any what is it called, any survey site, check your IP address. For you to be sure that your IP address has changed, just come to your Chrome browser. I'm going to drop all those sites. Come to your Chrome browser and search for Aura. Let me just open new tab and search for, so let's search for IPS score .io. So this place, just click on refresh. So refresh. Once you click on refresh, so you can see it show that your location is now in US. So take note of something here. So you see this is US region tester. You can see the region here. You can see the region, you can see the city. Take note of that. You can write it down. You understand? Because when you are doing survey, they will be asking it, so that you will not go and do mistake. You can see the region, you can see the time zone. So this is the US states, this is the region, and this is the city. Write it down, I beg. So then scroll down. So is here also. You can see this is all the details that you need on this particular one. So write it down, so that when you are doing survey, you will not be. So the most important is to check the rate. You can see it is low risk, so that means you are good to go. You understand? So you can as well check many sites as possible, just for you to be sure that your IP is strong, so that you will not just go and enter any survey site and they will block you. So let's go for Aura.net. Let's check again. Let's go Aura.net. I'm going to drop everything for you. Just make sure that you check. So just take your time to watch this video. So you can see it's loading. You can see it's the same United States. You can see, I hope you can see. So this guide is 90%, which is still okay. You understand? It is 90%. The reason why it's not 100% is because my time, I've not set my phone time to US time. That's the reason why it's not. You can see. So that's the reason why it's not 100%, but still okay. So this one is check. This one is check now. It's check. So you can as well go to, you can as well search for iLink. It's not necessary you check all these too. Once you check on like 3 through this thing is okay, but if you have the time, I'm just giving you option. So you can use this one to iLink. All of them, they are doing the same work. So this is how this one loads. You can see your IP address is still the same thing with the rest. So let it load. See United States, there's you can see blah blah blah. You can see. So it's okay. So this is how to check your VPN if it is good to go or not. So now this my IPS is good to go. So now we are going to go in to the survey. So this is all what you need to register on your Proxy, to buy your IP address, to connect your Proxy. That is all. That's really where the work is. So once you connect your Proxy, you are good to go. So now we are now going to go on the survey. Let me use one survey app. So this particular one, this one. So now that you have created your Proxy, you have connected, so any survey sites that I drop, the first thing that you need to do, go on your Proxy. Either you open it, you want it on Super Proxy, or you use the main app, any of the two. Once you open it, go and check the status of that your IP address on those sites. Once you see that everything is okay, it has low risk, so you now go to the survey site that you want to do. So the first one is survey strike, this particular one. Make sure that you own your this thing now, so that they will not flag your account. So you just click on it. This is my account that I'm doing, but let me just log out on this particular account. You see I have $1 there. Let me log out on this particular so that I can. So yours is going to open up like this. All what you just need, click on Google. Don't log in with Gmail, with email rather. Log in with Google. Just choose any of the email that you want to use. Let me say I want to use this email to open another account. I just want to show you guys on how to do it. So I'll use my Gmail to open this one. It's going to load. So you see that it's loading. So once it's loaded like this, so it's because I'm using United States. That is the reason why I will be earning in dollar. Assuming the Proxy I use is United Kingdom, that means I will be earning in pounds. You understand? So now I'm earning in dollar. Depend on the state that you connected. So the IP address I'm using is US. That means I will be earning in dollar. If you are using GP, which is United Kingdom, that means you'll be earning in pounds. So this is the first task that you see. All what you just need to do, click on it. Once you've done this one, you will see a lot of tags. Just click on it. You click on start now. Once you click on start now, you see, make sure that you click the correct state, and don't forget what I ask you to write down. Then blah blah blah, agree. Just normal survey, you understand? Then make sure that the age has to be from 30 to 35. You can use your your May, your date and your month, but if you are not up to 31 or 32, just change the date of birth. So I'm going to use 1993 here, which is 33 years. Then I'm going to use my month, my main month, but the year is not the same thing. Then I'm going to choose my main dates. It's only the year that is not going to be the same. Then the postcode, I'm going to give you this particular link to check your postcode. So let me minimize to, where did I put it? So I'm going to send you this particular code. Just tap on it. So you need to do all these things. You check the IP, you write it down, so that you will not be minimized from the survey, because there are some forms that once you minimize, it's going to start over again. You understand? So you should have checked all these things. So you write it down. So this particular US IP address I'm using, so it's going to show my so you just type that your postcode. Make sure that you have write all this one down. So I've copied it. Then you click on next. If it's not correct, it will show. Yeah, I made a mistake before. So once you put the zip, just use that. You will see the zip code, or just ask what is it called, ChatGPT or this thing on your WhatsApp, that zip code of this thing, probably zip code of United States, it will bring it out, or zip code of Australia, it will bring it out. So you should not stress yourself. Then you answer the question, the gender. This is just normal survey. You can say I'm qualified, start survey. So a lot of survey now is going to be listed. So this place, just continue English. So make sure that you read that what is it called, that PDF. If you read it and master all the questions that is there, you will not have any issue with question here. So how do you get here? You can see that you can just say from a friend, then you submit, not something add. Then this place, always choose either master degree or university degree. Let me just choose PhD, BA and blah blah blah. So click on load. Then your ethnicity, only choose white, don't choose black or white. So now it's just normal survey, so you just answer them. Once you answer them, another one will come pop up, just normal. So these children, make sure that you choose probably 2 or 3, and they should be under 18. You can choose the boy can be 17 and the girl can be 16. Please, they should be under 18, don't forget. And your annual household income, everything, all this answer is in everything is in that what is it called, that PDF. Make sure that you go through it. I think the annual is 150. Then household income, submit. I just want to show you guys how it is. So this one, they are giving you more more option. You can see that I should do a voice survey, but this one that is not give me on my first account, which I use UK this thing. But you know, this one I'm doing now is US, so the survey they are going to give you is going to be based on the US. So if you want this, you can say yes, then you click on submit. Then that's how you'll be doing this survey. Once you are done, you'll see your balance. I actually want to do one survey so that I can show you guys. Let me quickly do it. And don't forget, always choose full-time, always choose full-time employee, always choose full-time. So you can choose consultant, you can choose, but don't choose education, don't choose, everything's in the PDF. Just go through it, read it very well before you even see that you want to read it. You can see that I've I've made $1 for this one thing. You can send a review if you like. Not necessary submit. It's not going. Let me just go back. Once I go back now, you see many. Just pick any other one. Close survey. So if you check, so you can see now after I answered that one, they have given me many survey to do. So if you check here now, you see that I have $1 balance. So the survey I just finished now, you can see it's added. So if I tap on it now, on that $1, you can see if I click on show history, I think my network is not okay. It's my network, but this $1 you should have had to this place. I think it's my should have show here and this place. So I'm coming. So you can see when I close the app, just one survey I just do now, I don't get $1. And this is the method of how you can withdraw through PayPal. So if I want to withdraw through PayPal, I must have minimum of $5. You can see minimum of $5. So you can gift card too, but you withdraw through PayPal, minimum of $5. And this one survey I just answered now, I've already have $1. So see the rest of the survey, just look at it. You can see them. You can see them. Once you are answering them, they will be bringing many. So just make sure that you take your time to answer the question very well. Go through the PDF. Most of the answer that you want is there. And most of any survey, even though it's not this app, any app again that you want to do, the question is always the same. You will always come across them. So once you go through the PDF, you master it, even though you want to cram. So when you are just seeing the answer, you will not even waste your time. And please don't be fast. Don't be fast with it. Just don't be fast and don't be slow with your survey. So if you go through the PDF, you will not have any issue answering the question, because all the questions, they are all the same. If you like, go to another survey site, the question is always the same. You understand? So that is all about it. So any other app I'm going to draw is just the same process. You understand? So thank you.